A Canadian hospital is challenging the law with the goal of making it illegal to patent human genes. It's already against the law in the U.S., but American companies holding patents in Canada are preventing Canadian hospitals from doing their own genetic testing. The CBC's Kelly Crow explains.
Stephen Hitchcox found out the hard way that he had a potentially fatal genetic mutation. He was swimming. His heart started beating erratically. He was pulled unconscious from the pool.
I was extremely lucky. And it was a complete surprise.
The heart rhythm disorder is called long QT syndrome. The first symptom is often sudden death. The good news, doctors can screen for the genetic mutation and the condition can be treated. The bad news, the gene has been patented by a U.S. company. That means Canadian hospitals can't do the test.
So the child and the family would never be aware. The child would be untreated.
Since the early days of genetic research, scientists who discover genes often patent them, claiming the rights to any commercial applications. Last year, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that is a violation of U.S. law. But what about here in Canada? It's a question that has never been asked until now.
Genes are not inventions. They belong to all of us.
Today, an Ottawa hospital announced it's launching a court challenge, arguing that no one should be able to own human genes.
Our doctors and scientists simply cannot accept the prospect of a child dying or potentially being orphaned because a patent prevented us from diagnosing and treating a serious life-threatening condition.
The court is being asked to rule on the long QT gene as a test case, but there's a bigger issue. Soon doctors will have the technology to screen for thousands of mutations at once, but they won't be able to share that information with patients if there are privately held patents on some of those genes. Kelly Crow, CBC News, Toronto.